Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix CapCut app not working. If your CapCut app suddenly stops working, don't worry. There's a simple fix you can try. One of the main reasons this happens is that the app has built up too much temporary data over time. To fix it, open CapCut and tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Head over to Settings, select Clear Cache, then confirm for free up some space. After that, go to your phone settings and search for apps or manage apps. Scroll down until you find CapCut, then open it, choose storage. From there, press clear cache only. Don't hit clear all data or you lose your edits and save projects. Once you've done that, restart the app. CapCut should now run faster, smoother, and without crashes. If it still doesn't, try updating the app from the Play Store or App Store to make sure you're using the latest version. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.